Good evening everyone and welcome to El Paraiso. This time mag-unbox tayo ng parcel and this is coming from Ma'am Grace Claveria from North Cotabato. Okay, so this parcel has been in transit for 3 days. So titingnan natin kung anong orchids ang mayroon sa loob ng box. Pero bago ang lahat, for those who are not subscribers for this channel, I want you to subscribe and then hit the notification bell so that if I have new videos relating to growing and cultivating orchids, you will always be updated. Okay, so this time, bubuksan na natin ang parcel at titingnan natin ang condition ng orchids na nabili ko kay Ma'am Grace Claveria from North Cotabato. Okay, so at first sabi niya magbabayad lang ako ng magkano yun kasi sa kilo box lang daw ito kasya, pero nung pumunta siya sa LBC, yung kanyang carton ay naging customized kasi yung orchids ay hindi siya magkasya doon sa kilo box. So titingnan natin kasi this is a blooming orchids and then this is worth 3,000 pesos. And then, yung shipping fee is for 395. Okay. Wow. Ititingnan natin kung yung bulaklak ng orchids ay hindi siya nalanta o hindi nasira during the transit sa parcel. Okay. Dadahan-dahanin natin. Baka mamaya masira ang flower. Meron pa naman itong bulaklak, blooming nga. Okay. So, paano ba ito? Ganito ba yan? Parang andun yata sa kabila. Okay, So, dito natin dahan-dahan kasi baka masira yun. Okay, so sana ay katulad ito kay Sir Jonaldo Pagal na nung dumating sa kanya 5 days from North Cotabato to Leyte, buhay na buhay pa po yung flowers ng orchids. Okay, wow. So tingnan natin. Nakabalot siya doon sa nakabalot siya sa papel para hindi masira yung flower. Tingnan natin. Kasi parang dalawa lang ata ang flower nito. Okay, so actually this is Ibanda Sanderiana. Okay. Dool-dool gamay. Okay. Wow. Ay, dahan-dahan. Baka masira. Okay yan. Wait. Okay, so yan po. Titingnan natin later. Okay. So, wow. This is the queen of all orchids and this is a pure waling-waling. Okay, tingnan nyo, this is an original waling-waling kasi wala siyang spur. Okay, so yung isa open pa lang at saka meron siyang dalawang flowers. So, isa sa mga dahilan kung bakit ko to binili upang wala pala siya, meron pala dito upang basig ang tawag dito, baka madamay yung aking mga banda Sanderiana sa Il Paraiso sa garden kasi meron nang namumulaklak. So thank you so much Ma'am Grace, no? I love this one. I hope I could be able to transact you once again. And this is Ibanda Sanderiana, no? A pure waling-waling orchids, no? I have already waling-waling from Davao, and then this is from North Cotabato. Okay, so tingnan niyo yung flower, no? Napakaganda po. Oh, this is an original one. Thank you so much for watching. God bless everyone and stay safe.
Way away.